Damcon, officially called Control Facilities for Dam Operations, supports calculations and operations for dam flow management in order to operate the water discharge facilities of the dam accurately and easily. The main duty of Damcon is to collect, calculate, and analyze any data about seepage water, spring water, deformation, and so on from measuring instruments installed in the dam body. Since the Aigawa Dam periodically conducts flush discharge, which aims to improve the downstream river environment, a system with the operational function for such a discharge is employed. In order to keep the discharged water as natural as possible, water close to the quality of the upstream river is automatically selected and discharged based on the collected data such as the water temperature in the reservoir. This function is another feature of the Damcon of the Aigawa Dam.